the first automobile car engine being produced by the Frenchman Renault. Cars have penetrated into our human lives and have carried too much longing and glory to the human beings. Today, when bringing high quality and glory, cars have also created a very huge automobile aftermarket. Tire, as one of the components with high frequency and maintenance and replacement on the car, directly affect the performance of the vehicle and the security of life, but also to set the higher requirements to the tire service equipment manufacturers. In 1988, a professional brand was highlighted in the East. It is the Chinese Bright. I have contacted with the Chinese company in the large-scale international exhibition for many times, and I also found many products of this company all over the world. Today, I would like to introduce this company to you. Bright Technology Corporation is located in Yingkou, Liaoning, China, with a total area of 48,000 square meters and 380 employees, with the modernized management mode and under the operation of a team of high quality. The products of this company have quickly broken out the bottleneck of the tire changers and wheel balancers industry all over the world to become the new landmark of the industry. Any result has its corresponding process, and any brilliance has its corresponding origins. Bright is no exception. Following our cameras into their production workshop, and you will find a happy factor that what we will view is the scene of busy, clean, and orderly. Bright strictly implements the management of 6S on site and effectively operates ISO 9001. All these ensure the continuous quality control improvement of the Bright. They have invested large amount of capital in introducing the advanced equipment such as CNC punching equipment, CNC milling machine, CNC cutting machines, CNC lattice and spray production line. Bright adopts the production organization of the specialized production lines, which has made the software and hardware of the Bright facilities reach the top level in China. Walking in the workshop of great lighting facilities, we can see that create many scenes of success coming from quality. Every link of Bright quality assurance is coming from the perfect testing process. For the members of Bright, acting as a good inspector for the customer is not a word but a promise. For this promise, Bright has equipped the complete test equipment and professional inspector in each quality control point is the material intake inspect area, which is the first quality control gate in the Bright products quality test system. When the parts purchased out of company entered into the plant, it will be strictly inspected here. After being inspected, the parts will be carried to each production line together with the parts manufactured by Bright itself to accept the following tests, including first test, total test, and a final test before packaging. In their laboratory, we can see nearly 20 kinds of test equipments. Here, each key part should endure 120,000 times of fatigue test. And now we are in the product R&D center of Bright, composed of more than 20 professional engineers of mechanical configuration, electrical certificate, and industry engineering. This center can be divided into the design room and laboratory. There are a complete system from drawing layout of product to the trial, producing, and test of the finished product. Each year, Bright will invest a great amount of funds into the technical development. Meanwhile, Bright collaborate with the science research institutes, such as the universities and colleges. Bright also can customize the products according to the equipment of the customer as soon as possible. Bright, not only the products have passed the international certificate of CE and GOST and acquired more than 20 patents, and meanwhile, Bright is also one of the Chinese auto service equipment industry standard maker. Bright is a learning-oriented team which not only pays attention to the study of the theory, but also practice skills training. Being sincere, efficient, professional, and excellent are the service concept of the Bright. Being sincere is the cooperation based on the win-win situation. Being efficient is to reach the requirements of the customers in the shortest time. Being professional is considering what the customers think. Being excellent is considering what the customers have not considered. Bright has the workshop, specially providing the customers with sample preparation. Bright also has the acceptance room for the customer's inspection. The storage center has set up the spare parts warehouse dedicated to the after-sales service to establish world seamless docking services manner and team to the foreign customers with the strategy of marketing in China and marketing worldwide. Bright is trying to make the brand of Fire Eagle reach the top of the world. Keeping an open attitude, Bright always encourages customers to complain. Even if the complaint is very small, Bright will treat as a very serious issue. Bright not only closely follow the development trend of the automobile industry, but also spread its products of tire service equipment to the area of aviation, to launch plane tire changer, to fill up the blank of the plane repair equipment in China. By innovation, surpassing and managing independently and relying on the strong R&D center composed of the top R&D team, Bright constantly develops the most advanced technology, pays attention to the trend of changes in the market, and provides fully new classic equipment, more adapting to the requirements for the development of tires.